Idi ununana a panawen, naggiddan anay parswa, dagiti tattao ken dingwen. Nasaya at tiinda pinagtitinulong iti pinagtrabaho. Bayat iti istorya, tumultulong ti danag kadagiti tattao. Babaen ti panangibula iti aba, napudno ti panagkakadwada. Ngam na minsan at damay sa babae, anasugat ti ramay na. Inalistuan ti danag, tinapan ng kita iti sugat na. Ngem imbes at tulungan na kuma, sinusok amin ti danag, ti dara na. Gapu kadaytoy anapasamak, natay day di babae. Manipod idi, imbilang da, amay sa adakes ti danag.
Because.
How did you do that? You were over there. You're impossibly fast and strong and pale. How old are you?
17.
How long have you been 17?
For a while. What am I? Say it. Say it out loud.
Danag.
Are you afraid?
No.
Come with me.
Where?
Over there.
What took you guys so long? Hey. Let's start the game. Let's go.
I smell fresh meat.
I do too. It's her!
Ah! Why are you doing this?
Why did you take her?
Why do you play with your food? Besides, she tastes like adobo anyway. You will regret this.
Eduardo, remember who you are.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Are you afraid?
No.
Are you afraid?
I'm afraid of losing you.
What am I? Say it. Sorry. Are you afraid? No.
And now, look at, yeah.
What do I say?
I smell fresh meat.
Yeah.
No, Val. I smell fresh meat.
Okay.
Whoa.
1, 2, 3, look. Joyce is not even looking.
What am I? What am I?
Can you not smile?
No, my butt.
Just pretend your butt is not there. I mean...